What it do, baby? Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I got something very fun for you guys. Gonna introduce you to a very close friend of mine, the guy that actually showed me how to wrap a car. Oh, by the way, sorry I sound so tired. Yeah, I just woke up. Yeah, but definitely, it's gonna be real fun. I'm looking forward to it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Well, guys, here he is. Here's the maestro, Austin, aka Mr. Smokey. Austin, he's actually doing a few raps. Unfortunately, the one that he is rapping, I can't show it. It's supposed to be a review. So I can't show it because Mariella over here.
Black and white, we're good.
We do color on this channel. Nah, this way. We will show it when it's done. Yeah, exactly. For your eyes on. For your eyes, do you understand? Other than that, yeah, just definitely hanging out. Good to see my boy. Also, we're talking about the swap for my car as well. Definitely trying to decide what the plan is, what we want to do, what we think will work. The goal is actually to try and get my car into SEMA next year. Definitely a huge goal of mine. Want to get started as soon as possible. So, you know, if you want to sponsor your boy, just let me know. So what are we doing?
Pulling off this door jam right here.
Cool,
so
cool.
We can wrap it.
So as you can see here, he's about to wrap the door jam. Black, correct? Yeah, it's gonna be black.
Just like my dick.
I can't give away the actual color of the car. It's gonna be revealed this weekend by this young lady right here. Yeah, don't dance like that, please. Yeah, don't do that. Nah, it's fine. So, where can they find your car at for the reveal?
Import face off. I hope. He's saying no, but I hope it'll be done by import face off at Wild Horse Pass.
Nice,
I'm
nice.
hoping.
And also, what's your Instagram?
It's Lil86 Mariella. I was gonna say right here because it used to be right there, but.
Hey, can we get some fresh eyes? Hold up. What do you think? Oh my god. Dude, I see so many swirls.
You up. Is this your first time?
Yeah, I just started.
It looks really good compared to right there.
Yeah. This is why you gotta zoom in. That looks really good. Wow, this guy's gonna be nice. Ooh. I told you, man.
Ooh.
See where I got that effect? See how many passes I did in?
Like,
so that's all you have to do.
Right? Five songs.
I'm just
like.
Jeff went to town on the S2K.
We're good.
Man, look beautiful.
I wish I could do this with everyone. Because why would you not want to pay? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like on the back row, what? Can you see this? There you go. This is where it gets exciting. Where'd it go? Ooh. It's gone.
See, look at how much better that looks. Like, see, terrible, beautiful, terrible, beautiful. If I have not said it once, I will say it again.
Say it again.
Get with my man Jeff over here. Shine Works Detailing, man. Get with me.
Lord help us, Shine Works. Shine Works is here. Yeah, and so now we're starting.
So,
I guess I won't film this then because you're using a little pink campy. The hair though. Gotta like. Dude, it's all greasy, bro.
Dude, I've been working. All your tips.
Look at it. You see this?
So,
This is
how
some
long
fun
has Smokey's
content.
Garage been a thing?
Look at his hair. What does it look like? It hasn't been washed.
Yeah, hey, look. I've been telling him he needs to just go ahead and do a man bun or like a ponytail.
I I tried.
Anyways.
I'll try. I'm trying to
I
tell
want you guys to comment down below what hairstyle you think Austin should do.
I hate you.
No.
Just, should he do man bun, ponytail, or should he just go ahead and cut it all off? Just comment down below.
Anyways, hey Devontae, can you hold this? We're gonna move the door.
See.
All right.
I got Michael.
Can you not?
Look at this. Look at this combo. You gotta make it look like a bird.
Yeah, I think that works actually.
It's so greasy.
He hates us right now. As you can see here, I'm not just a cameraman. I actually do a little bit of work now too. Yeah, but don't worry. Mariella's gonna take over for me on camera duties while she's also filming her own stuff. This is actually her car that I'm helping work on all of a sudden.
No matter what.
Yeah.
Go to Smokey's.
Exactly. Hey, you come to Smokey's garage, you're gonna do some work.
It's gonna drop.
Yeah, he's working on this Saab Nardo Gray GMC. As you can see here, very well maintained S2K. Honestly, they are not very easy to find. Like, this is probably the third best looking one I've seen in a very long time. Yeah, definitely well maintained. Very clean interior. Ooh, very immaculate interior. This is just something you don't see every day.
Well, they're all soft tops.
Well, yeah. This is hot.
But it's like the upper half is real.
I
And the
that's,
bottom half. Dude, yeah, that's for sure a real.
okay, that's what I was wondering. Alright. But I mean, whatever.
Yeah.
You know, B20, B16, built. Not bad.
I don't know. Maybe it is. It just looks weird because it's like shoved on a different frame or something. Who knows?
I have no idea.
But it's
All I
like-
know is it's getting thrown out.
So it's a CRV motor with a VTEC head.
So it's a B20 with B16 head, built top end, and then it's pretty much everything. Wire tug, chase bay, fun stuff.
I'm a sucker for a good wire tug.
This is I'm gonna take out the motor and shave it out too. That's gonna be the next step.
We are leaving Austin's garage. Definitely got a lot of stuff done. I will catch up with you guys in just a sec. Yup, and we're back, guys. Just wrapping up a good chest and try session at the gym. Anyways, just want to say thanks for tuning in to today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you are local in the Arizona area, make sure to hit up my guy Austin over at Smokey's Wraps or Smokey's Garage as well. I'll leave his Instagram right here and also in the description down below. Definitely set up an appointment with him if you need a wrap, install, repairs, any of that. And also make sure to use my name as well. Let him know I sent you. He'll take good care of you. Anyways, thanks again. If I haven't said enough, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, until then, stay blessed, take it easy. And one more thing, Go Clippers!